Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey everybody, Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. And what I'm actually working on right now is actually for a client of mine. For one of my coworkers. He actually, I told him that I got a 3D printer, and he asked me to 3D print something out for him, which I actually told him, of course I will, but I told him I would charge him some labor. But here's the thing. If you guys can actually guess what this is, I'm actually getting all the files ready to download into the SD card right now. But if you guys can actually guess in the comments down below, let me see if I can go ahead and open up another file. That way I won't lose my place. Let's see. Let's see here. I know I can open up another file. Oh, there it is. Now, if you guys can guess what helmet this is, I will build it on camera, and hopefully it will load up pretty soon. If you guys can guess this, then I will build this on camera to give you guys a little sneak peek of what I'm printing. So before we actually continue on ahead, oh, it actually already loaded. If you guys can guess what this is, I will build it on camera. You guys can guess? Go ahead and comment down below. I'll go ahead and pause the video for a minute. Really? Okay. Alright, you guys got done? Alright. Now, what this is right now, he wants me to print this out for him. It's the Mandalorian helmet, basically Boba Fett. I don't know if I actually got the right one, but basically, I'm printing him out a Mandalorian helmet. That's basically what the helmet is. Now, for me to actually print him out the whole entire helmet, it will take me a very long time for me to print. So I'm printing it out in 36 parts. So I'm actually going to be printing this out one at a time. I'm not going to go overboard on this. I'm printing out one of the parts right now, and then after that I'm going to print out the other part. Hopefully I have enough white filament pretty soon. And after that I'm going to start with the silver one that I actually got. So hopefully this right here will be enough. And we're going to print this out, and we are going to go ahead and put it all together, and I'm going to give it to him. So here's another part all ready to rock. I just have to increase the size about 10%. So that would be 110%. I had to do some calculations. Plus I did 3D print the actual bottom part of the helmet, and I paused it. Oh, I got 7. Now I have to get 8. Why did you click on the 8? Oh boy. Well, so now I'm going to go ahead and start 3D printing all this stuff out, and then next we're going to go ahead and build it. So maybe that'll be in the next video, because this right here will take a very, very long time for me to print. And stand by for a minute. Yeah, it's going to take me a while, but basically, hopefully I can just get it all in one video. I don't have to worry about putting all this together in another video. I can go ahead and do it in this video. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and 3D print all this out, and we'll go ahead and build it all, put it all together.